Hello everyone! In this video, we will be talking about security cameras as an essential part of our lives, providing us with peace of mind. In this video, I'll be sharing with you my top picks for security cameras, categorized by their best use cases: home use, office, and cars. Whatever you're looking to keep an eye on, I've got you covered with the best options on the market. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. Best security cameras for home. Keeping your home safe is crucial. In this section, I'll be sharing my top picks for home security cams that are easy to get up, affordable, and offer excellent video quality. Looking for a security camera that won't make you feel like you need a degree in computer science just to set it up? Look no further than the SimpliCam from SimpliSafe. With a name like Simple right in the title, you'd expect this camera to be a breeze to use, and it doesn't disappoint. I plugged it in, connected it to my smartphone, and before I knew it, I was live streaming our living room. Still, if you want cloud storage, notifications, and remote control of the camera, you'll need to shell out some dough for a monthly subscription. Unfortunately, the SimpliCam doesn't have person detection, and older models have a measly 720p HD resolution, but you can't beat free. So if you need a security camera that can do it all, you definitely can't go wrong with the ARLO Pro 4. This bad boy has a 2K resolution, full-color night vision, a built-in siren, and a spotlight. It even works with Alexa, Google Assistant, and Apple HomeKit. I mean, what can't it do? Now I know what you're thinking. All of these features must cost a fortune. Well, it's pricier than some other options out there, but trust me when I say it's worth the premium. In summary, the ARLO Pro 4 is like a Swiss Army knife of security cameras. Versatile, reliable, and always ready to get the job done. The YZ Wi-Fi security camera is a budget-friendly option with plenty of features. Not only does it have HD video quality, motion detection, and night vision, but it also comes with 14 days of free motion-based cloud storage. This little camera can also listen for and alert you to special frequencies, like smoke alarms, making it more than just a security camera. Plus, it works with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant voice commands, so you can feel like you're living in a futuristic sci-fi movie. The YZ security camera is a great choice, just don't be surprised if you start talking to your house like it's a spaceship. Best security camera for offices or businesses. Whether you run a small business or work in a large corporate office, security is a top priority. Well, let me share the best office security cams that are reliable, secure, and provide high-quality footage. Here goes the Blink Indoor Wireless Camera. With its AA battery power supply, you can put it anywhere you need it without having to worry about plugging it in. Plus, its robust build quality means it can withstand even the toughest office environments. Also, this camera offers crystal clear HD footage both day and night, thanks to its 1080p resolution and infrared night vision. And if you need to communicate with someone on the other end, the two-way talk system has got you covered. With low-cost cloud storage and a simple, lightweight design, this Blink camera is the perfect choice for any office looking for top-notch security. So you can easily get your hands on the Blink Indoor Wireless Camera. The ANNKE 5-megapixel LITE wired security camera system with 1 TB is a superhero in the security world. Its 5-megapixel HD camera with OmniVision sensors delivers crystal clear images during the day, and the latest H.265+ video format reduces bandwidth and storage. With an IP67 weatherproof rating, it can brave any environment, while 24/7 surveillance provides peace of mind. You can control the entire system remotely using Wi-Fi, 3G, 4G, or 5G and receive smart motion alerts. Cloud-based security camera systems for businesses offer fast read and write speeds. The ANNKE 5-megapixel LITE wired security camera system with 1 TB is your assistant, superhero, and a high-speed internet connection in one. It's worth a million giggles. Keep your office safe and sound with the FIRSTREND 1080p wireless security camera system. This superhero security camera offers a plug-and-play solution to all your security issues, and you can rest easy knowing it's built to last. Fully compatible with Android and iOS devices, this camera system offers supreme quality IP night vision, making it the ultimate both indoor and outdoor gadget. With a 1 TB HDD that supports up to 4 TB HDD, you'll never run out of storage space. Simply connect the product to the power and connect it to your monitor via HDMI cable or VGA. The FIRSTREND security camera is your office's very own superhero, watching over you 24/7. Best security cameras for car. From accidents to thefts, our cars can be vulnerable when parked on the street or even in our driveways. I'll be sharing the best car security cams that are compact, easy to use, and provide crystal clear video footage to protect your vehicle. The Garmin Dashcam Mini 2 is a top-notch car security camera that's worth the investment. Don't be fooled by its miniature size. This little device packs a punch with 1080p footage and a 140-degree wide-angle lens with HDR for crystal clear video. Thanks to the Garmin Drive app, you can access a whole bunch of cool features like editing and sharing your footage over Wi-Fi. Plus, with voice control, you can keep your hands on the wheel while starting and stopping recording. If you're looking for a reliable car security camera, don't waste your time with a cheap and non-reliable option. Go for the Dashcam Mini 2 and hit the road with confidence. If you need a top-notch car security camera that captures every detail, check out ROVE R2 4K Dashcam if you've got the cash to splash. The camera records in 4K, so you can be sure that even the tiniest details will be crystal clear. The 150 degrees wide-angle lens allows you to capture a wide field of view, and the camera supports micro SD cards, so you'll never run out of storage space. Unless you're filming your version of the Fast and Furious movie, of course. With the ROVE app, you can easily track in Google Maps, just be warned. The app has had some bugs in the past, so you might end up lost in a virtual maze. Here goes the THINKWARE F800 Pro. This cam has a design that's so sleek you'll have to put on your detective hat to even find it. Once you do, you'll be happy to know that it captures video in 2K QHD resolution and has GPS and emergency SOS capabilities. Don't worry about any app connectivity issues. With this cam, you can monitor your footage online or save it to the cloud for easy access later on. Plus, it's heat resistant, so it can handle even the hottest of situations. Overall, the THINKWARE F800 Pro is a solid choice for any road warrior. It's like having a personal co-pilot that's always got your back, without any of the annoying backseat driving. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helped you choose the best security camera for your needs. Remember to invest in a good camera for peace of mind and protection. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Alright, peace out.